When I think about what has happened in Londian, I shatter, because all the markets from Mariakani to Voi, to Mtidwandei, to Salama, to Kikopei, to Salga, to Londiani, to Fortenan, to Moroni, up to Busia, they are along the road. Why? Because roads are agents of development. They spur economic development in a community and in a country. They are a very important factor in economy. But now, everybody is selling their goods next to the road. The bus stops are exactly next to the road. People are talking and having stories next to the road. Your Excellency, with your support and the support of county governments under intergovernmental framework, ninaomba tuondoe masoko sote na bus stops from the highway ingie ndani, Your Excellency, ya the marketplace.